Today I'm going to make a lighthouse using these planter pots. I've got one terracotta and two plastic in different sizes. So this one's huge. And then we've got medium. Okay. And then this one's going to go on. And I have a special thing to go on top. So let's see how I did it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this beautiful fabric that I got at Dollar Tree. Like that, or like that. I like this way better. But first, I'm going to be cutting the top here so I can use the fabric on the other side. And this is how it's going to go. Yeah, I think this is going to work good. So I'm going to be adding the Mod Podge to the back of the fabric. So now that I've got the whole back filled with Mod Podge, I'm going to put it on the planter pot. And you want to pull it tight. And here's the first one all done. Okay. So this is what it's going to look like. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like it. Now the next one is this one here that I've painted, but I want to paint it or use the fabric. I don't know yet. We'll see. What do you think? Paint it? I don't know if I like it. And this is where I decide to rip off the fabric. I just wasn't liking how it was looking. Okay, now I'm going to paint the bottom, red. It's all good. So I'm going to paint this red. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. So here's the first one. And I'm also going to paint this one red. And I'm just putting the paint on a baby wipe. And then painting it on. Pretty dark. Now I'm going to paint this one white. with my clean brush. Yes, I cleaned it. Wow, the white goes on really good. And here's how it looks so far. I'm really liking it. And I got this little gazebo that you put a light inside. Little tea light candle, you know. It's really cute. But I'm going to paint the pink part white. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some Elmer's glue on just so that the paint adheres a bit better to the metal. And you see how thick it gets? And here's what it looks like after I painted it all white. Now it's time for assembly. Red bottom. White middle. Here it is. And here's a special surprise. A solar light. So you're going to undo it there and stick this right in that hole. Okay. Oh, look, it's on already. Now we're going to take the bottom out of this thing. Oh, yeah, there's a problem. It doesn't fit. How do I get this in there? Because I wanted this on here and then this thing like that. Okay. Or I could just use an LED candle. But this is going to be my lighthouse. And I think it looks awesome. And I will have to cover it with outdoor Mod Podge, as well as paint this one here one more time. And then I can put it outside. And it's a simple, easy way to decorate your garden. We're going to try this LED light. Okay. Wait, I could actually use the bottom because it fits right in. Okay. Ooh, this is great. Look at it. I'm pretty happy. Here's what my lighthouse looks like in the garden. Isn't it beautiful? And it complements my red tulips so well. I love it. You can make one too. It's so easy. For more outdoor garden ideas, click on the next video.